Hiring Melissa to get the operations side of our business organized and streamlined so that our team knows where to find the things that they need to get their job done and done well was easily a no-brainer. I don't know any other business owner who has even run their business in the way that Melissa runs hers, with so much attention to detail. But more so than that, she has really taken the time to get to know my business and the way I want things done, the way that I work as a leader. She's poured into me so that I can really pour into my team. So helping me develop better communication skills, setting up ways for me to stay organized, to have the team collaborate with me more, so that I'm able to delegate more and buy back some of my time in a way that I was certainly not doing on my own, and that none of my coaches have trained me or taught me to do previously. She's able to quickly see deficits where they might exist, and how you can fill those gaps and holes in your business with some of the things that you're already doing, and by introducing some new things as well. Her work with us in Notion, I know that we would not have had Notion set up on our own in this amount of time. In any dream, we would not have. Her attention to detail in there, and she's made it really easy for our team to fully implement, or to fully immerse themselves into this new application that we're using. And they've all gone into Notion. They know where the work that they should be doing is located. They know how to work all of the pages inside of there. There's not a single person on our team, and we're a team of 8 now. There's not a single person on our team who's not in Notion in some way. They're all learning and growing, and they see Melissa as a resource. Not just me. The team does as well. They reach out to her with questions, and she has been excellent in answering those things and really tailoring Notion to work for the way that we do business. One of the other things I would say is that in migrating all of our things over to Notion. So we've been operating loosely in ClickUp. We've been operating in Google Drive and numerous other places. She has really thought about, where things might have been housed before, and given us a plan to move it all into this new system in a way that works just mentally. So it's so easy for things to feel disjointed when they're across multiple platforms. And she knows that, and was able to set it all up in Notion in a way that makes complete sense. I'll give you an example. We have an editorial calendar, and you know how many applications can be involved in that. You've got a place to store written text, so your documents. You've got a place to store images and links and the actual tools that you use. Say if you're using Canva or Adobe or Planoly or just the social media platforms that you're using. She has it all set up on the page so that the person who's doing the work only has to have that one screen pulled up to be able to navigate to all the other places that they might need to be. And I think that's so important in a world where we've got, a gazillion open tabs, that she has thought ahead to what's the one source of truth, is the way I like to look at it. What's the one place I can go to and get everything that I need? And that is what she is building our Notion platform into, and our Notion Workspace. And I absolutely love it. And yeah, I can't recommend her enough.